Does your Yale deadbolt get stuck and it won't lock or unlock and it becomes jammed? This is why. The actual deadbolt mechanism is just laying in place here. And if we look at it, this is what's holding it in. This pattern here interacts in there. It has to, if it's allowed to slip, it can move over a tooth. So it has to be, this cutout has to be the exact right depth, or this piece can slip. And of course, it's just laying in this recess here. So if that's the wrong depth, the turner will be allowed to slip a tooth and it may not want to slip back. So I'm going to put a piece of tissue in there to ensure that it presses snugly and seats this turner. And that should fix the problem, which I imagine again is from the incorrect depth being set, unless there's an adjustment that also goes along with this. Hopefully it's helpful.